Hello everyone, welcome back to Amin Math Club. Today we have a nice Olympiad problem that is 3 to the power m plus 3 to the power m is equal to 60. So we have to find the value of m here. So here starting our solution, first of all we just write this 3 to the power m is common. So 3 to the power m is taking common outside this parenthesis. Then we get 1 plus 1 is equal to 60. So by dividing this 3 to the power m by this 3 to the power m we get 1, and similarly here we have this one. So 3 to the power m, 1 plus 1 is 2 times 2 is equal to 60. Now if we divide this 2 on both hand side, so we get cancelling 2 with 2. Here we have 2 3 6 and 0, so 2 times 30 is 60. Then 3 to the power m is equal to 30. Now we are going to take log on both hand side. So taking log on both sides, then we get log 3 to the power m is equal to log 30. Here we are going to use logarithm powers law, which is if we have log a to the power m is equal to m log a. And similarly here on our right hand side we are going to use log a times b is equal to log a plus log b. Now here log 3 to the power m is equal to log 30 can also be written as log 3 times 10, which is equal to 30. Now we can use this formula here. So applying this one on our left hand side, then we are going to shift this m here. So m log 3, that is equal to log 3 plus log 10 according to this identity. So log 10. Now if we divide log 3 on both hand side, here we have log 3. So cancelling log 3 with log 3, we have m is equal to log 3 divided by log 3, just separating this denominator. So here log 10 over log 3. So this log 3 is cancelled out, then we get m is equal to 1 plus log 10. So log 10 can also be written as 2 times 5, which is equal to 10 over log 3. Now using again this formula here, so we get m is equal to 1 plus log 2 plus log 5 all over log 3. Now our next step will be m is equal to 1 plus log 2, separating this denominator which is log 3 plus log 5 over log 3. Now our next step will be, now according to logarithm law, if we have log a over log b, then it is equal to log a to base b. So here m is equal to 1 plus log 2 to base 3 plus log 5 to base 3. So it is the value of m. Now we have to verify our result. So for verification we have to recall our problem, that is 3 to the power m plus 3 to the power m is equal to 60. Now by simplification we just write that we have done initially these steps, that 3 to the power m is equal to 30. So now putting the value of m, it is our value of m. So here 3 to the power m will be 1 plus log 2 to base 3 plus log 5 to base 3. Is it equal to 30? Now as we know that by exponential laws, that if we have a to the power m plus n, then it is equal to a to the power m times a to the power n. Now this will be 3 to the power 1 times 3 to the power log 2 to base 3 times 3 to the power log 5 to base 3, is it equal to 30. So now this 3 to the power 1 is 3, and here we can use logarithm law. If we have a to the power log b to base a, then it is equal to b. So here the value of b is 2, so just write here 2 times here just 5, is it equal to 30. Now 3 times 2 is 6 times 5 is 30, so 30 is equal to 30. Left hand side of this equation is equal to right hand side. Hence we prove that this value of m is valid for this problem. So it is our final answer. We have find out by using different mathematical techniques here. So now we are going to just review our problem step by step. So that's it for today. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.